Okay, so on this tutorial we're going to look at entering a single will instruction. So here we've gone to the button for will instructions. We're confirming again tenancy understanding and residential nil rate band. And now from the drop down box we enter a single will. Here it opens up all of the buttons and they are exactly the same as the mirror situation. So I'm going to now go to client wills. I can see I've already entered the single will. So the client details now. And I'm going to put in Barry White. I need to give Barry a date of birth. If he's known as anything else, I can put that in as well. I'm going to say he's a partner this time. I need to give him address. And I can put in my home number, mobile phone number, email address as before, occupation and NI number. If he's got a will in another country, I can note it there. If he's domiciled outside of England, Wales, or we want to cover worldwide assets, again, I can put those details in. Now, Barry is a partner. He's intending to marry Brenda Green. So we're going to put Brenda's details in there. Give Brenda a date of birth. And we've done financial information. I'm going to add 2 children. So Belinda White lives at home, bloodline to dad. And we'll put in one more child, which will be Ben White. Again lives at home, bloodline, and we'll give a date of birth. And we can OK that. Now for speed, the executors, I'm going to say they're the surviving spouse and the bloodline children, or the surviving partner in this case, and I'm going to enter that I want to be cremated under the funeral wishes. Now for speed, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use our quick button. If I hover over it, it shows me that the first level is going to the partner and then to the bloodline children and onto issues. So if I click that, then that automatically happens for me. And I'm going to do the attendance notes. There's 18 of them, so I have to click on Start Questionnaire. Is there any urgency in preparing the will? No. Any medical conditions that I have? No, or the testator does. No disabilities. Am I doing the will voluntarily? Yes, they are. Is there any dependency there? No. Any beneficiaries with special needs? Any stepchildren? Do they have? Does he have a business at all? No. Any gifts made over £3,000 in the last 7 years? Any assets outside of England and Wales? No. Have they made a foreign will? No. Do you intend to marry her in the future? Yes, you do. And then you put the name there, which I believe was Brenda Green. Have you made a will or a codicil before? No. Is there someone who you might expect to be included in the will that's not? Again, we're going to go no here. Any other general problems? No. Any other factors relevant to this estate? No. We confirm Banks versus Goodfellows, 1870, in testamentary capacity. Confirm we've given them terms of business and any notes that we might have. We then Save and return, and that's our single will completed.